Hi peeps, always good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. Have you been searching on YouTube how to upgrade or extend the RAM on this Lenovo V130, the exact model listed right in front of you? You came to the right video guide because I will extend the RAM to the 12 gigabytes by adding a Crucial 8 gigabyte module. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it, shall we? All of these have to come out. I will remove the optical drive first. Two more hidden screws under the optical drive. Smaller ones. Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts will be listed below in the description box of this video regarding this laptop. I will start right at this corner, progress slowly and gradually. If you get stuck and unable to make progress, just switch to the other side. Safety first. Before touching any of the components, I will disconnect the battery. Normally, I would never recommend this, but this time around, I have to pull on the wires to actually disconnect the connector of the battery. Now, where is that memory expansion slot hiding? Oh, there you are. If you pay attention to the notch, you cannot insert the module the wrong way. Okay, time to wrap it up. Don't forget the two little screws underneath the optical drive. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.